Welcome back to the House of Organic Beauty. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is out of the ordinary. Here I'm just helping my cousin do, not necessarily helping her do her makeup because she knows how to do her makeup, but she was like kind of teaching me how to apply makeup on. Okay, so hit her up on Instagram at 50 Shades of Sin. I'll have that in the description box. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and as always, be blessed. And yes, the professional, go to House of Organic Beauty and get your, how you say it? Make your what?
My concealer is drying.
They dry? What's that mean? Boom, boom. What?
Keep dabbing. There you go. Damn, girl! Alright, then you get your beauty blender. You know what that is?
Over there. Or the sponge.
Which one? It don't matter to get what I need one. Yeah.
Book at House of Organic Beauty.
Yes, okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we're gonna get our you see that thing that says Morphe? We're gonna open it. It's like a powder.
Yeah.
Put some on here. I'm gonna do one side, you're gonna do the other one. So you little.
Oh, to make it like smooth or something?
Yeah. See how the difference? This one, it looks matted. This one looks. Blow a little bit. I don't want the casket ready. Okay. Make sure it's blended well. Okay, then nose part is different. You just gotta get a little bit and then looks just like a middle, like it's just in the middle. Mm-hmm. There you go. Now we're gonna do the dark part. But before you do, I'm gonna show you. So I can do one side, you do the other side. You gotta so you can know where to do the dark part.
Like the contour.
Mm-hmm.
That looks hard. Right.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Mm-hmm.
Go down.
It's good. Good job. Yep. We're gonna use this one. Cause so you're gonna angle the brush. You go around to make sure you get that contour look.
Have you ever thought about doing YouTube?
Yeah, I have, but it's just so much work. I don't know how you do it.
Well, honestly, when you compare my first videos and the videos now, I just winged it.
Really?
Yeah.
So
you just have to just turn on the camera and that's it. Well, okay, not that's it, but you have to edit as well. But you know I didn't know what you just did. Right?
For real?
Just okay, go like this or no?
Just, yeah. That and then up. Angle your brush like this. So it's like a up and down motion. Mm-hmm.
That's it?
Mm-hmm. Your side look better than mine.
Well,
don't listen.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be quiet.
Go a little bit
more.
up. Mm-hmm. Cause you see a harsh line.
Mm-hmm.
My nose, I use these. This right here. Hide it. So it blends all the way.
How do you know what colors to get?
Cause like you just gotta make sure like it matches your skin. You can't get like a dark brown and do this. It's gonna look weird. It's gonna look black. But this is like close to my skin, so that's why I use this. This would probably work for you too. And when you do the nose, you go up and then close to your eyelids, so you can give you that natural look. Are you gonna post this?
I'm not doing it for shit and giggles.
First time doing makeup.
It's a professional. Book me, boo.
You look good. You did good. Next, we're gonna do my little blush because I use this, but very lightly because you don't want your face to look.
This color.
The pink right there. Come on.
Is that an angle brush?
I made an angle brush.
Oh, you cut it?
I just, cause when you like do it so many times, it just stays right there.
Yes. I don't think I put enough though.
It's okay, you could apply some more. I'm impressed. You said what? Don't get big headed, please. Thank you.
I have to. Now I need to go get my license. You know?
You're what?
My license, my makeup license.
So now we're gonna put setting powder where we contour.
So close this.
Yep, you're done with it. Where's the thing you had did not the beauty blender.
This.
Yes. It's just and then you. Oh, okay. The lines we have right here, you're gonna get it out.
Lashes or something?
You see how I just went over my lids, like right here? Yeah.
I honestly forgot what you did.
I just went over right here.
The pink part?
No, the.
Oh.
Yeah. And then my lids.
Oh.
Yes. Right here.
Don't run.
No, just there. So you don't see that line anymore. Do right here where you left, because we contour right here too.
You know?
So before I do the glue, I spray my face to make sure it stays. Okay, scholar.
Oh, Jesus.
Dang.
Don't you have to go into it or something?
You can spray me.
So, why are you washing your face? All of that? We're hard
No,
work.
this actually helps it stay all night. It's 24 hours. You know.
Up all nights long, wear makeup, setting spray. Oh, okay.
This is it right here.
So when are you gonna do the lashes thing?
After everything, I do lashes and I do under lashes and then my lips and then this is my natural face every day. I don't do too much.
For me, that was a lot.
Really? You forgot half of the stuff we did?
Half of it up.
You forgot half of the stuff. What's the beauty blender?
I'm saying, what?
The beauty blender. The sponge. The thing you call the sponge.
Let me go.
So, you know, I got busy, you know, because I'm a busy woman. So she's now
Apply my lips. I don't like this lip color.
applying her lip, what is it called? Mocha?
Yeah, I'm gonna ombre it. It's too dark.
You gonna who?
I'm gonna put something
I like
else
it.
in it. It's dark. Like put like a lighter color
In the middle, in the center.
Kylie Jenner lips. You see?
This is her whole factory right here. It's just a factory of just, I don't know what this is. It's just a lot, you know? She does makeup, okay, guys? So hit her up on her DM. That's how you say it. If you have oily skin when wearing makeup, then apply this to your skin first, and then problem solved. Okay, I learned something today. Okay, just a little trick and tip for you guys. She does makeup. This is her setup. Yeah.
Oh
Oh yeah, I see the difference. That's nice. So she applied a lighter color in the center. Bougie. Brown pencil for your liner of the lips.
Pucker up.
Pucker up.
To mix it. You use this for the middle. If you want a glossy look, you get some lip gloss. That's it.
Oh, so you're gonna put gloss?
Should I?
Yeah. I mean, I like glossy lips. I like them slippery. You feel me? Well, why can't you just put the mascara and that's it?
No, I have no lashes. Look at, do you see? I have no lashes.
They there to me.
Where? I'm trying to find them.
They right there.
I can't even see. Girl, I'm just brushing air.
See, you have to do the whole facial expression in order to get that.
This is me every day.
That's so. Baby. Baby. Yeah, baby. Next time what? My turn. Ah, I'm so excited. No? You're not gonna glam me up, girl. For my dream, girl, I'm going out tonight.
Where you wanna go?
In my dream, babe, where we going in our dream? We're going to the Dubai, yes. To Hawaii. Yeah, we're going to Hawaii, girl. Let me see them lashes. Okay. She gonna be flying tonight. Yeah, she's gonna have that wiggle aid, right?
Very much so.
Yeah, we got you, girl. So we're gonna apply them eyelashes. I need to sleep.
You wanna try it?
Excuse you? What'd you say?
You wanna try some lashes?
Yeah, come on. Come on. I wanna fly away today. Jeffrey gonna snatch them off. Okay, so now we're gonna apply the falsies.
Make sure your glue is dry and not.
Make sure the glue is dry. Things dry.
You gotta do this face, y'all.
Oh, you have to do this face. That's a must, guys. Or the lashes will not go on.
How you want it to.
Exactly. Oh, is that a Q-tip? Or, I mean, a
tweezer.
There you go, tweezer. Maybe that's it.
Yes, I gotta do the face, guys.
Yeah, you got What if it just falls off?
I promise it won't. Cause it's glued, like it's glued in, like it's not going nowhere.
Okay.
Y'all see the difference? Huge difference. Bald.
Oh my god.
Bald.
Girl, you ain't using the right mascara. Look at all these. Let me show you her eyelashes. Look down.
I have.
See all those lashes she has? She just need the right mascara, that's all. She was saying she uses the hair glue, instead of the eyelash glue because the eyelash glue,
They don't really work for me.
it doesn't stay
Or
for
does it
her.
stick how much?
Okay, because she want an all-nighter, you know, when she's dancing and sweating. She needs something sturdy, right?
I don't want my lashes to be flying without me.
Okay, I guess.
I'm a pro.
You probably did that under a second.
Less than 30 seconds.
That's it.
No one's
Oh, you have
better
to wait for it to dry?
than me. This is my everyday look, guys. I don't do too much. Little eyelashes, eyeshadow, lips, foundation. She did it anyway. She did a good job.
All right, thank you. Well,
This is her half. This is my half.
my half look
Let
better.
us know which half looks better.
I think it looks the same.
It does. She did a good job.
Yay!
She did a great job.
Awesome. You gonna call me next time to come do your makeup?
Yeah, we're gonna keep walking through it until you get better. Then maybe I have more confidence.
Now use the sponge.
Yes, the beauty blender.
Oh, the beauty
See,
blender.
you gotta get used to that.
Okay.
Beauty blender.
Okay. All right. Well,
That was a wrap.
that's a wrap. Okay. So shout out your business name.
Yes, it's Shades of Sin.
Wait. Take off the clips first, please.
I mean, my hair, I have to like, it's
Oh,
not.
you have to
I
lay. Okay. Just shout out your business. No
Yes.
problem. You're getting ready, so it's
Instagram
good.
is 50 Shades of Sin.
50 Shades of Sin. Mm-hmm. How do you book?
Okay, so you can actually email me. There's a link in my bio. You can click it and book your appointment.
Okay.
Or you can call, text me. It's up to you.
Okay,
Whatever works for you.
so all your information is on the Instagram thing of a jiggy.
Yes.
Okay, I hear that, y'all.
It was a pleasure.
All right, say deuces.